Hi, I am David, and I am excited that spring is here and I am going to play outside, enjoy the nice weather, and. Oh no, a hurricane warning is in effect! I gotta make sure that I am all set for the destructive weather that is coming. I need a first aid kit, food, water, radio, and a safe place. It is also important to close windows, turn on the news, and fill a bathtub full of water. Bring any outdoor items, because they can get destroyed or blown away. Dangers of hurricanes include high winds with 90 miles per hour gusts, flying debris, and loss of flooding. Thank you for watching, and this is David.